Tonight we'll see and hear firsthand
This kind of sound.
Let's hear the rest of it.
Gianna, you struggling out here? Pretty good. Look at how wide you are. Oh my goodness. Mama Hulk. Look at that. So it happens when you put the front end of a Mack truck. Look at you, girl. You're so pretty and wide. Look at yourself, girl. You're huge. This is Gianna. This is the mother of the Hulk. That right there carried the Hulk. And she is actually off of two of my other dogs, the General and Mia. They will be in our Dog of the Day segments, I'm sure, soon. But this is Gianna. This is Mama Hulk. And she is the prettiest girl. She's just been running around all day. You tired, girl? Yeah, I know.